Are you looking forward to this April 8th eclipse? If so, go to the link down below in the video description and check out the workshop that I will be doing with Gnostic Pope on April 1st, 2024. We're going to be doing it from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The price of this eclipse, we've been talking about it all week. The price just went up to $67.67. 13 and 13. How funny is that? Go check out the link down below if you are interested. Sign up, because we've already got probably about 50 people signed up for this event. I want people there so that they can understand how to battle the fear-mongering that has been taking place and actually soak in the positive vibes. As the Bible says, thou shalt not dishonor thy mother and thy father. And that doesn't just mean physical, it's also metaphysical. And astrologically, our mothers and our fathers in the greater, higher atmosphere are the sun and the moon. And they are going to be coming together and bringing so much love and joy to us. So don't fall for the fear-mongering. Instead, come and join our workshop. We're going to give you all the details, such as diet, intention setting, what you should be doing on this day, the events that are transpiring around this event, and what you can do to get your own life in order to be the best person available. The event will be April 1st. I will see you there. Love you guys.